How to clear videos you've watched on Facebook. So if you want to delete your watch history or if you want to clear the videos that you have watched on your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. And once you open your Facebook, you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dot icon. Once you're here on the upper right, you need to simply go for the profile. Under your profile, you will have three dots icon. Tap on the three dots and you need to go for the activity log. And once you're here on the activity log, you need to go for the activity history, which is here on the upper right. Tap on the activity history, and then here you will have all of the things that you have done on your Facebook. So go for the filters, and under your filters, go for the categories and tap on your reels or the audios that you have saved or the effects that you have saved, or you need to simply go for your videos or your reels, and then you need to go for the three dots and you can simply tap on move to trash and then you can remove that. You can also go for manage post, and under manage post here also you will have the activity. So here it says you have watched a video. So if you want to remove that or if you want to clear the video that you have watched, go for the right side which has that three dots and then you can remove that. So that's how you can clear your videos that you have watched on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.